today I'm going to put on these. They are driver's pegs for an Indian Scout. Should fit on a Scout bobber, hopefully. Alright, so in the box, got those. I got the black ones because I'm trying to de-shiny part my bike. So inside you got some instructions. Empty box. You've got, looks like a couple metal shims in a bag here. A couple metal shims. And then you have the driver's pegs that have Indian logo at the edge. So these are pretty cool. So I'll open one up and take a look at it. So here's what they are. Nice solid piece of aluminum with the Indian logo. And we're gonna look at installing these on the bike. Okay, I'm installing them on a sagebrush, OD green, whatever you want to call it, Scout Bobber 20. And so let's get to it. Once you find the edge of the little washer, you want to get under it with a pick and just try to carefully, I don't know if you can see that it's starting to come off, but carefully pry it off with the pick and a fingernail maybe. Don't lose it, and then this should slide right out. Pick comes out. So what you want to do, make sure you don't lose this. Now we'll take your new peg, and this is going to go in this way. Slide that in, maybe. So it's in, but I'm supposed to put this in between there. So I'm going to try to do that again. I'm going to hold this in there, just kind of squeeze it on in. Alright, so it's in there now. That's just supposed to make it stay up or down, I guess. Alright, so now we put our clip back around it. The best way to coax this back on, I'm not sure. I'm gonna try. Just kind of twist it around a little bit without getting it too out of shape. Okay. Looks like it's back in the groove. And that's it. You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go. Click on some other videos, but go home.